Today we're going to adjust the Jandy valve actuator. Now, it comes from the factory preset at 180 degrees, so it will turn all the way to the left, all the way back to the right, 180 degrees. So if you want to stop it somewhere in the middle, maybe you have a fountain that flows or something like that, we want to set the handle or the valve to stop somewhere in the middle as opposed to on the end. So that would be the normal position for closed. Pull mode, and the spa is off, so we want to turn it so that the handle stops somewhere about here, so we'll send some of the water to the waterfall. Okay, just loosen the 4 screws. Now this is one of the newer units, and you'll see it has 2 plastic gears, and right now it's all the way this direction. You see the handle is pointed this direction, and the pin, you see a little bump out there at the bottom. Let's see, where is that? Yes. Right here at the bottom, that's what triggers it to stop. There is a little pin there that it pushes in, hard to see, pin, and when the switch goes forward, the wheel goes forward, it presses in that pin which stops it from moving. So we would like to stop it when the valve stem has rotated to about the 7 o'clock position here. So we're going to open the valve or flip it. There's a toggle switch on the back underneath. You can see that right here. The other position that will rotate the valve, and we want it to stop there. That would give us about the 7 o'clock, the partially open. So we know that this bottom gear was the one that controlled that stop. So you can see how it's rotated out of position now. So just using a screwdriver, I'm going to put it in there, and we're going to just gently turn it around. It goes forward, it presses in that pin which stops it from moving. So alright, once we get the bottom wheel set, the bottom one has it rotating this direction, the top one controls the rotation the other way. So the top one we don't need to adjust because we want it to stop in the center of this other pipe. So it should rotate around and stop this direction. Perfect. So in pull mode, it'll rotate back the other way. Should stop at about the 7 o'clock position. And that will be perfect for our configuration. The homeowner would like some water to go over the waterfall, extra water. So this will allow that to happen.